guys, welcome to the studio. I got a special request for a tour of how I work and how I have everything set up. So I'd love to take a few minutes to show you how I work and all the different places where I do different crafts and painting and all that kind of good stuff. So let's get started. I suppose the best place to start is right here with all the beads. And you know that I have received all these materials from my boss that has passed away, and the husband gave me all of her jewelry, beads and tools and supplies. And when I say there are thousands and thousands of beads, it's no joke that there is so much here of all different kinds of wonderful semi-precious stones, the amethyst, the rose quartz, labradorite, all kinds of wonderful things. And I've been so blessed to really have at it and let my creativity go wild. Something else that I do that I keep down here on this bottom shelf is that I grow my own herbs and make teas and whatnot. So this is where I keep all those little goodies. And then in the center of the room, this is where I work throughout the day. This does not look like how when I make my videos, but this is where I work to actually make my day-to-day pieces or the orders or whatnot. I keep little inspiration beads in here. Many of you have asked about the tumbler. This is the tumbler. This is not closed up, so I don't want to turn it over, but this is where you put the shot. You put it in there and it goes on this base and spins around. There you have it. This is where I apply Protect-A-Clear to both the copper and the sterling silver. So I sit here and apply an anti-tarnish coating. This is my little pickle pot. You've seen this before in my most recent video about my little supply, my stash of wire. And this is where I actually work. Now, right here, I didn't turn the light on. Right here is where I actually do my recording. And you recognize this background. And then when I'm not recording, I just take it away. And this is where I do my polishing, things like I also do wood burning. I have all these painting supplies. I do painting, all the oil paints here, all my brushes and solutions. I got, office work. All these parts is where when I'm shipping out stuff, I have all my supplies to ship out your goodies, a wall of other supplies and more beads, some artwork. I've got a couple pieces of artwork up there. And something I'm most proud of is that Abraham Lincoln portrait. Really, I was surprised myself that I could do that. So this is where I am every day. And one last feature that you are not familiar with. This is my little buddy, Gideon. Oops, I'm sorry, Gideon. This is my little buddy, Gideon. He's hiding out and being a little shy, but he's my little buddy and he watches me do my work. He's got his little lunch. He's ready to go. I also have over here, because I do crochet and knitting, I have my whole little bag of yarn. These are my Aldi bags. Gotta have your Aldi bags. Don't you dare go to an Aldi without bags. So that's it. This is where I am day to day when I'm working on your pieces, when I'm coming up with what to do for the next video. This is where I'm working. So it was a pleasure to be here with you and showing you around.